Meaning of general counsel.
General counsel.
General counsel.
General counsel.
General counsel. General counsel is a term used to describe the chief legal officer of a corporation or organization. This individual is responsible for overseeing and managing all legal activities within the organization, including advising executives on legal matters, ensuring regulatory compliance, drafting and negotiating contracts, and representing the organization in legal proceedings. The role typically requires extensive knowledge of the law, excellent communication skills, and strategic thinking abilities. Ultimately, the general counsel plays a key role in protecting the organization's legal interests and minimizing its legal risks.